गुड इवनिंग, नमस्ते, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल, सभी का तहे दिल से स्वागत करता हूं अभी के शो रॉक द नाइट में। मैं हूं आपका दोस्त यूडी और आज लेके आया हूं एक स्पेशल एपिसोड। आज का एपिसोड इतना स्पेशल क्यों है, मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगा कि आज के हमारे जो गेस्ट बैंड है, वो बैंड लेके आ रहे हैं हमारे सभी के लिए, हमारे दर्शकों के लिए उनके 100% फ्रेश अनरिलीज्ड गाने। इससे बढ़िया और क्या हो सकता है। आइए बिना कोई वक्त जाया किए उनको स्टेज पे बुलाते हैं। लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स, प्लीज वेलकम ऑन स्टेज मैड ऑरेंज फायरवर्क्स। हेलो, वेलकम टू रॉक द नाइट, वेलकम टू रॉक द नाइट, वेलकम टू रॉक द नाइट, वेलकम टू रॉक द नाइट। सो व्यूअर्स, हमारे बीच आ चुके हैं आज के हमारे परफॉर्मर्स, हमारे बैंड मैड ऑरेंज फायरवर्क्स। इनके गाने सुनने से पहले या फिर इनसे बातें करने से पहले आइए इनके बारे में कुछ हम जानते हैं, देखते हैं वीडियो। Right, so good to have you here. Thank you so much for your time. I definitely want to go straight to your performances, but before that, I have a duty to ask questions. मुझे सवाल पूछने की एक बीमारी है, so I'm going to ask you a few questions before you start.
Sure, go right.
Shall I go ahead and ask you the question? All right. 2 quick questions. All right. Mad Orange Fireworks sound celebratory. Are you guys celebrating something?
We're celebrating life, I guess, through music.
Everyone agree?
Yeah.
All right, great. The second question.
Okay,
Why
wait.
do you call yourself Orange Rock? And how do you define it?
We play orange rock because I think we have a connection to the color. We feel that it's vibrant, it's lively, and our music is also
Right.
like that.
It's only the color, not the fruit.
It's not the fruit.
All right. So the stage is all yours. So you'll be performing 2 numbers straight, right? Okay, so what are the songs you're going to perform?
The first song we're doing is called Marching On, and the second one is called Give It All Away.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, without any further ado, let's enjoy their music. Stage is all yours. Thank you.
Finish what you started. There's no better way to go. Unless you take it to the grave and settle it down below. Block the flowing tears and watch the tensions rise until the dam or shame breaks. There's overflowing pride. acting out this way. Let's turn the page and get along, and in the end come what may.
never meant to live forever. As if he did, what would be the point? A boiling summer, due time dies in the showers, and all good things must someday end. I know that the world keeps turning round and round while I'm up or down. Don't go trying to right the wrongs that's in your head. They're just all in your head. I'll meet you on the ceiling a heart of gold, if it hides behind a tongue that cuts like a sword. Some people live alone, longing for a shoulder to lean on, while some shoulders need much more. I know that you never meant to break my heart, but you did it anyway. And so now I'll let it rock back at the start with no hope of light of day. I'll meet you on the ceiling. My world's been torn upside down. Don't try to stop this feeling now. Oh, this is love. Sun like the stars before us. 'Cause all you need is love for yourself, before you go around and try to give it all away. I'll meet you on the ceiling. My world's been torn upside down. Don't try to stop this feeling now. Oh, this is love. Sun like the stars before us. 'Cause all you need is love for yourself, before you go around and try to give it all. Soon you'll be left with none at all. So don't go around and give it all away.
Well, thank you guys for these beautiful numbers. I'm really dying to hear more from you guys, but क्या करें, लेकिन परंतु लेना पड़ेगा एक छोटा सा break. Viewers, do not go anywhere. We'll be right back after the break. Keep enjoying your show, Rock the Night with me, Yudi. Welcome back after the break, ladies and gentlemen. देख रहे हैं आप ही का favorite show, Rock the Night, और आज हमारे बीच है MOF. Mad Orange Fireworks. So देखिए, आगे जाने से पहले I have few questions जो मैं रोज पूछता हूँ, हर किसी से पूछता हूँ. Okay, both your albums, Lifeline, Cast, and Under the Orange Sky, and the songs that I have been hearing now have universal appeal. Are you playing for yourself or a crowd? For the crowd?
Well, I would have to honestly say, I hope it's a bit of both. Like when we write songs, like it's actually starting from a personal point of view. It's only for us. But I'm hoping that there is somebody out there who can actually connect with it and relate with it the way I did when I wrote it. So in that sense,
Okay.
it's both.
It's both. The answer is both. Okay, moving ahead to the next question. What are your other inspirations? What is the Ben listening to these days?
So that is again a very individual question. Like each person's got a different answer for it. I would say Wolfpack.
Okay, what about you, sir?
Pradeep, what do you say?
Ghost.
Ghost?
Ghost, okay.
I always go back to Michael Jackson whenever.
MJ,
Michael Jackson.
what about you, sir? Classic rock? Okay, got it. Then my third question to you is, are you self-taught musicians or did you have any classical training?
Me personally, like I started at the age of 9 and I went through a lot of training as a kid. So I've learnt music. But that's not the case with everybody here. Like Kaushik has never learnt.
I'm self-taught, fully self-taught.
Self-taught. Okay.
Darvish's dad is a drummer and he's just following his father's footsteps, I guess.
Okay.
And Pradeep is from another planet.
And he resembles to someone, right?
He looks like John Mayer.
Well, ये इन लोगों का बीच का joke है. I have nothing to do with it. Pradeep with I, not double E.
I'm not blaming you. It's fine.
Yes. So इन्होंने एक बहुत ही बेहतरीन नाम रखा ऑफ स्टेज इनके लिए. वो नाम क्या है?
John Mayer, Raju Mayer.
Raju Mayer.
Indian
The
John
Indian
Mayer.
version of John Mayer is called Raju Mayer.
Can I throw my sunglasses at you, please?
Those are my...
So Pradeep is going to bash me, or if I keep on poking at the same topic, let's move to the next question. All right, you started out as a three-piece band, but now you are not. Are there any limitations being a three-piece band?
Well, there are plus points and minus points to it. Like on the plus side, I would say a three-piece band has got a higher energy content. Like it's between three people, it just feels a lot cooler. But the minus point is like you're limited to three only. Like with a fourth member, there is one more instrument that adds another layer to it.
True.
So we just wanted to experiment in that sense.
So it's like more the merrier.
Yeah, Kaushik, you want to say something?
Yeah, it's like basically it adds more body to the song.
True. Right, on this note, it's time for us to witness their next number. Are you ready with the next song?
Yeah, that's good. Let's do it.
All right, चलिए enjoy करते हैं इनका अगला गाना.
I'm your reason for living. I'm your noisy neighbor. I'm your good son who never calls you up. I'm your pretty sunrise. I'm your pleasant surprise. I'm the caffeine in your coffee cup. And I'm your inspiration. I'm your recreation. I'm your recyclable friend. And I'm your favorite excuse. I'm your daily dose. I'm your latest trend. So shower me with your blessings as I sing for you through all my days. Won't you spare me some of your blessings? I'm your shoulder to cry on. I'm your biggest fan. I'm your temporary solution. And I'm the hand that feeds you. I'm your cup of tea. I'm your New Year's celebration. And I'm your biggest mistake. I'm your easiest heartbreak. I'm your sweetest thing. And I'm your untapped resource. I'm your unfinished business. I'm your bubble
Mad Orange Fireworks का चल रहा है यहाँ पे धुआंधार performance जलवा ही जलवा है. I would say it's quite difficult to phrase something in Hindi when you have an absolute rock band here, but I'm trying my best. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Thank you for the lovely number. Now again, when you see me on stage, I'm a question bank. I have lots of questions to ask. Okay, what are your songs mostly about?
Okay, it's a lot of
Girls.
things.
Michael's many failed love.
Failed love lives. Yeah. Mostly it's there, but not anymore. I mean, first two albums were mostly there. But it's more about like existential crisis kind of questions and just day-to-day stuff that bothers me and what goes around in my
Like
head.
day-to-day girls bother him a lot. Right? Yeah, okay. Got my answer? Moving on to the next question. All right, who writes the song in your band? That's you. You just
Yeah.
told me. All right. So what is the songwriting process like? Do you jam and write a song, or you write the song and bring it to the band?
It's like the second one. Like I end up writing stuff on my own on my acoustic guitar at home, and I bring it to the band and we add different things to it. They listen to it and put things on it and basically ruin the song for me.
Mostly the other band members don't have the sad life story like he is having
exactly.
it,
No,
I
right?
have to listen to the next one or that one. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, कोई बात नहीं. ऐसा बहुतों के साथ हुआ है, मेरे साथ भी बहुत हुआ है, लेकिन अफसोस मुझे गाना लिखना नहीं आता है. All right, moving on to the next question. Do you believe in three-chord formula? Have you used it?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's nice. I like it.
Right, next question. Do you subscribe to the home recording movement? What gear do you keep to record your late night ideas?
Well, me personally, again, it's just my phone. I just record it on there. I'm not a very tech-savvy guy, and I just love sitting and playing my acoustic guitar at home. So when
Recording
I
on
get
the phone.
some good ideas, immediately take phone, hit record, and play it. That's the way I go about it. But I know a lot of people who have really fantastic gear and do a lot more, just
But this
producing albums out of their house.
This is more friendly.
This is easy and
Very friendly, yeah.
peaceful.
Okay, moving on to the next question. When are you releasing your new album? Yeah, this is not only I want to know, all the viewers who are watching us at the moment have the same question.
Why don't you take this?
And what are you going to call it?
The date is still not confirmed, but it's going to be called Flow.
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 Flow. Yes.
Okay, great. And the
It's coming out over the next at least 3-4 months. It'll be out.
quite soon, so keep updated with their page. You'll get to know everything, right? Okay. Which place in India is the best place to play rock music in?
That's a very difficult question. Honestly, we haven't played in all places in India yet, but personally, again, the greatest experience we had was playing in Sikkim, where we got to perform at a music festival to some 2,000 people in a stadium. That was an amazing feeling.
In Sikkim.
Yeah.
So their answer is, again, Northeast India. It's Sikkim.
Gangtok, yeah.
Yes. All right, great. So it's time for us to take another short commercial break. जाइएगा नहीं, जल्द लौट रहे हैं Rock the Night देखते रहिए. Welcome back after the short commercial break. देख रहे हैं इनका जलवा only on Rock the Night. चलिए वक्त जाया और नहीं करते. Guys, ready with your fourth number?
Yeah.
चलिए सुनते हैं इनका अगला गाना.
We could come, we could go, we could take it slow, but then you want some more, but you don't let it show. What we might know, I just go with the flow. Through the night, through the day, we keep playing this game, and everything's alright as long as we keep playing. But it's never the same, and we feel no shame. Baby, you know you and me can get along. So save me before I get too caught up in this cold
right, what a song, ladies and gentlemen. Mad Orange Fireworks is actually setting the stage on fire with their brand new songs. Yeah. So this is another segment which we are doing it, and this is something to know that each and every one of you actually know each and everyone very well or not.
Oh God, okay.
It's called band connection. All right. What, in your opinion, is the favorite color of each of your band member?
That is very simple.
But
Orange,
individually,
orange, orange, orange.
is it right?
Yeah.
Now you have to say yeah, right?
Totally accurate, yeah.
Thanks to the
What's your
sunglasses, I
favorite
cannot
color,
read your
Darshan?
eyes. It's just a sunglass that you're wearing. I cannot read your eyes.
I have a different answer. I would say orange,
Uh-huh.
orange,
Uh-huh.
orange, neon.
Neon. Okay. See, I was right. I could make it out with your face. You're like smiling. Uh-huh. I love orange.
Very
Yeah.
subtle.
Okay. So before we move on to your next performance, it's again time for us to take a short commercial break. Well, viewers, do not go anywhere. We'll be right back. Stay glued. देखते रहिए Rock Tonight. All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. चल रहा है इन्हीं का जलवा. बिना वक्त ज़ाया किए फिर से पूछना चाहूँगा. Are you ready with your next number?
Yes?
All right, आइए चलिए enjoy करते हैं इनका अगला गाना.
You seem tired, can I get you something to eat? How about another juicy piece of tender meat? Oh, don't act like you haven't tasted hearts before. Take all you need, yes please, won't you come back for more? What must I do to make you wipe that frown off your face? It seems to have molded in and it's been there for days. And the only smile that comes whenever I've got something that you want. I wish you'd want more of this little that I've got. Are you stuck in the fire, being tied to the pole? Never been up for higher, but I sold you my soul. Feel free to squeeze, just don't let go. The way you strangle my neck, I'm loving the pressure. And you keep a good check on my dosage of pleasure. You're the best when you're in control. But she's got a gun, she's got a gun. She's got a gun in my head. She's got a gun, she's got a gun. She's got a gun in my head. She's got a gun and a trigger-friendly finger. Maybe that's why I love her. Yeah, that's why I don't. Whoa, yeah. Whoa, oh, oh. Whoa, oh, oh. I'm tired of the tears you put me through all night. Whoa, oh, oh. I haven't slept a wink with you by my side. And the way you come next to me is like a crooked nail hammered through my brain. Oh, ain't this fun, or am I just going insane? I'm stuck in the fire, being tied to the pole. Never been up for higher, but I sold you my soul. Feel free to squeeze, just don't let go. The way you strangle my neck, I'm loving the pressure. And you keep a good check on my dosage of pleasure. You're the best when you're in control. But she's got a gun, she's got a gun. She's got a gun in my head. She's got a gun, she's got a gun. She's got a gun in my head. She's got a gun and a trigger-friendly finger. don't. Yeah. Ooh, that's why I love her. Yeah, that's why I do. Oh, yeah. She's got a gun. She's got a gun. She's got a gun in my head. She's got a gun. She's got a gun. She's got a gun in my head. She's got a gun. She's got a gun. She's got a gun in my head. She's got a gun. She's got a gun. She's got a gun in my head. She's got a gun. She's got a gun. She's got a gun in my head. She's got a gun. She's got a gun. She's got a gun in my head. She's got a gun and a trigger-friendly finger. Maybe that's why I love her. Yeah, that's why I don't. Whoa, yeah. Whoa, oh, oh. Whoa, oh, oh.
चलिए, जब भी मैं वापस यहाँ स्टेज पे आता हूँ मुझे सवालों का बैंक भी कहा जाता है. So trust me, this is the last set of questions I'm going to ask, and this is rapid fire round.
Rapid fireworks coming up.
Yes, okay. If any one of you have different answer, you can shoot your hands up and you can say it, yeah? Okay, question number 1. Let's do it then. Do you know Orange Street?
No.
It's in Calcutta.
It's a band in Calcutta. It's a band in Calcutta.
It's a band from Calcutta, yeah. Oh.
That's the answer. You're quite near, but yeah, okay, great. So, are you a fun band? On a scale of 1 to 10, how mad is Mad Orange Fireworks? Starting for you.
13.
Mad or middle? Perfect answer. What else I could expect? What about you, sir?
12.
12. Very nice. 11. 13, 12, 11.
25.
Superbly mad answer, as expected. Got it. I really enjoy your name now. It is actually related to to the band name. Okay, moving ahead. Fender Jazz or Fender Telecaster?
Ooh.
Telecaster.
Okay.
Jazz.
Bass.
Bass guitarist. Irrelevant question.
What good relation you guys are having here.
Like Fender Jazz bass.
Oh, God.
All right, moving on to the next question. It's supposed to be a rapid fire
jazz
question
master.
answer round. In what ways can an engineer degree help a band?
No ways. I have one. He doesn't have one.
I don't know.
He has one.
I
He
have
has an architecture degree. But when it comes to music,
You could help someone
I don't know.
All right.
making equipment.
Thankfully, we don't have any question related to architecture. Moving on to the next question. Why did it take so long for humanity to realize that Earth is not the center of the universe? Or is it?
This I think the Arvish should answer.
What are you talking about? The Earth is the center of the universe.
I am the center of the universe, bro.
He is the center of the universe.
The Earth
Very
is
well
flat
said,
and
Mr.
it's the
Mayers.
center of the universe. Supported by elephants.
I
On a
didn't catch
turtle?
that. What did he say?
It's okay. They're very good in science. I got to know that. Hannibal or Walking Dead?
Annabelle.
Okay. The longest jam you have ever had?
8 hours.
8 hours where?
Oh, that was at one
Isn't
point.
it Sikkim?
No. This was just with another band where we just sat in the studio and kept playing for 8 hours. I mean, this is my answer. What about you?
Around 4 hours on stage.
On a stage, 4
on
hours.
New Year's Eve.
Oh, yes, that
I mean,
happened.
it was 5 hours for me once.
Yeah.
You guys were playing together?
No, separate.
No, separately.
Okay.
No answer.
The most talkative person of the band. Talk with his eyes. Okay. Where did you find the best crowd?
Sikkim.
Sikkim. Yeah. Okay. Glam versus trash.
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 Same answer.
Same.
And that's his answer, trash. All right, that's all from my end. Guys, thank you so much for playing this so honestly. Are you ready with the next number?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, आइए सुनते हैं इनका अगला performance.
When I was young, I longed to talk like my mother, but never heard what she said. Looking back now, wish I'd paid more attention to those words. Time moves tricky, trickles so, but then gushes and rushes when you want it to stay. There's no use now trying to change who you are, so just be. I'm Mr. Nice Guy, you know me. I'll let you see through me. I'm happy with sharing my corner with you. Don't try so hard to console me. I don't need your blessings, you fool. When this world ends, it's gonna come with a smile. If you're next to me, all you need is heaps and piles of love. That's what I've got to set you free. I'm Mr. Nice Guy, you know me. It's easy to please me. All you gotta do is just send me a smile. Don't try so hard to comfort me. I don't need your pity, you too. No, I don't. Yeah. Take my hand, let me pick you up. Use my head to stand so you can climb on up, yeah. Take my hand, let me boost you up. Use my head to stand so you can fill your cup, yeah. Take my hand, you can make new ground. Use my head to stand so you can look around, yeah. Take my hand, let me climb up high. Use my head to stand so you can fly. I'm Mr. Nice Guy, you know me. I'll let you see through me. I'm happy with sharing my corner with you. Don't try so hard to console me. I don't need your blessings, you fool. I don't need your pity, you too. Don't have to know me, so don't try to own me. You don't have to love me, you fool.
रॉक द नाइट का आज का ये शो, आज का ये एपिसोड यही खत्म होता है, लेकिन उससे पहले on a serious note from the core of my heart, thank you guys. It's a blessing for us to witness you performing live for us with your brand new numbers. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much.
Thank you for having us too. It's a-
Right.
it's up.
So there's a small request from our end. Any message that Mad Orange Fireworks wants to convey or give it to the viewers who are watching us at the moment? To the world.
Peace and love, man. Like, keep it real, keep it easy, and spread some love.
Spread some love and stay happy. Right? All right. Thank you. It's an honor. God bless you. We'll see you soon. And viewers, if you have any queries, if you want to ask questions or anything related to the show Rock Tonight, all you have to do, you have to click the link below, or you can follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, in all social media networks. Well, that's all from today's episode. We'll see you in the next episode with a new band. Till the time, you take care, spread love all the time, and stay happy. That's all. Ciao. Thank you.